Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 12. The statement 3x minus 1 different from 2x is true for all values of x except. So the keyword is they want to ask for all value of x, make that statement true except. So it means you need to find a for so 3x minus 1 different from 2x. That's the true statement. So if it equals 2x, it will be false statement. Okay. So now we solve for it. Subtract 2x from both sides. Have x minus 1 equals 0. Then plus 1 both sides. We'll have x equal 1. So x equal 1 will make the statement false. So C, the right answer. We can check for each of the answer choice. So if x different from 1, you can choose any number except 1. Okay, let's choose 0. If x equals 0, we have, if x equals 0, we will have 3 times 0 minus 1 different from 2 times 0. That's right, because negative 1 different from 0. That's the true statement. For B, we have x equal negative 1. We have 3 multiplied by negative 1 minus 1. Is that different from 2 times negative 1? So we say that negative 3 minus 1 different from negative 2. That negative 4 different from negative 2. Yes, that's right. And then for D, we have x greater than 1. So we choose sum x equal 2 for easy. 3 times 2 minus 1 different from 2 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1. Is that different from 4? Yes, 6 minus 1 is 5, different from 4. That's the true statement. So E, we have x less than 1. X less than 1, I can choose x equals 0 as well. So it's the same as 8. So that makes a true statement as well. So for this one is the choice C. We can check on it because when we have 3 times 1 minus 1, is that different from 2 times 1? So 3 minus 1 different from 2. 2 different from 2. That's the false statement, right? And we want the false statement. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.